we're gonna learn how to draw a popcorn cup, a crazy one. Or I have another one over there. Here, popcorn. Put it together. Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Hey guys, did you know popcorn was actually originally made from corn? Yeah, I do love just sitting in the cinema wearing the cool glasses eating popcorn. A black marker pen, some markers, scissors, a white paper, a tissue, glue, and red, or any colorful paper. You can even use golden paper if you want. First, we'll have to use our black marker pen to draw what will our cup look like. Aha! Since popcorn is made out of corn popped, so let me add boom.
What is this?
Since popcorn's made out of corn, let me just put corn on it.
So it's a corn?
Yep, it's made out of
Wow.
corn. That's right. Pop. Pop. Pop.
So many pop. Pop, 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 corn.
Back, corn. Use your marker pens to color. Let me make one star yellow. And yeah, one star yellow, one star yellow. Kind of like a pattern. And one star green. Well, your cup doesn't have to look exactly right same as this one. just making red lines like a normal popcorn cup. There you go. This container. It's going super. I think I'll call the boom.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm calling the boom kind of like icy. Okay, now the coloring is done. You can see the details, like the stars up here, and they're patterned and rooms, thousands, millions of rows. There's a corn there, and red and white lines like a normal popcorn cup, and it says popcorn there. And then we're gonna cut it out with our scissors. I do not enjoy using these baby scissors. I'll use these. Be really careful when you're using these scissors. Your glue to stick your cup or container onto your background colored paper. Be careful not to put it on the background colored paper or the table. There we go. Now here you go, little popcorn container. Now this is the fun bit, adding popcorn. So do you really ask your mommy to put corns in the oven and then stick them on the paper? No, I'm never gonna do that. That's way too much dangerous. And it'll not last for long. So, what could we do? Remember what we need? We need a tissue paper. Guess what it's for? It's not for cleaning up our mess. It's for making popcorn, dude. Yeah. So first we have to start peeling them into stripes. Like that. Not like that. Yeah, you can use your hands. Like that. I like to do that. Like. First you have to make some stripes with paper. Stripes on paper. And then you just roll them up in a popcorn. Yummy dude. Yeah, just take one stripe and then roll it into popcorn. We're not putting them in the oven.
Don't put them in the oven.
Yeah, don't put them in the oven.
You'll catch fire.
Yeah, they'll get fire. And I thought you'd be able to eat tissue, but actually they'll be on fire. never ever play the stove and oven by yourself. You call the fire! Cool popcorn, dude. Yeah, eat them. Yeah, I think they're not for eating. They're just tissue. So now let's glue the popcorn. So, first you will have to glue the place where you want to put some popcorn on. Again, I want to put some popcorn on. Here's some glue here. Go. And let's do this. Put one popcorn dude on there. Popcorn dudes are yummy. Now I can do some falling popcorn. So let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Okay, there. Here's the popcorn. Here's the popcorn. Come on. Stick it onto the place where you put food. There you go. Tiny popcorn. Go for it. It's the big one. Good. But it doesn't quite look like popcorn. Well, there are popcorns that are white, but we don't eat them mostly. Mostly eat cheese flavored popcorn. So I'll use golden yellow. Well, you can choose your flavor of what kind of popcorn you like caramel popcorns are orange, cheeses popcorn are yellow, and original flavored popcorn are just white, so you don't need to color them. But depends on what kind of flavor you like. For me, I like caramel and cheese. So sometimes I like putting orange and yellow on there. Let's do it! So now it's all really boring, just like silly popcorn cup and some popcorn. Let's do actions and things eating popcorn. Yeah, I love that. So action here, action there, action here, and action here. Dropping popcorn. What animal do I like mostly? I'm gonna do a dinosaur. One over here, dot, 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 dot. And then I'll draw a body here. And then this is the tummy. So I'll draw a tummy here. And then I'll draw another hand here. Eating popcorn, dot, 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 dot. And then goes all the way up, up. And then down, and then yeah, let's see on the belly. Okay, now put it in the oven. Oh no, it's on fire! It's on fire! It's on fire! Ah, call the Paw Patrol! Ruff, I'm fired up! Ruff, water cannons! Hey.